This time tip covers how to use visual reporting to check what materials have been applied to bodies or if a material has been applied. So we'll first go to the HD 3D tools and we'll double click visual reporting. To start with, we'll look at the out of the box reports. And there's several reports provided out of the box. If you're not familiar with visual reports, you should check these out. There's some pretty nice tools here. We're going to use body materials report, and I'm going to select activate report. Notice immediately in the graphics window, the bodies get colored differently, and then there's a legend displayed over here. We can also display a tile view, but I prefer the tree view. And we can also right click and say send to window to get a separate window near to the components. One thing we might not notice right away is one of the components, the connecting rod cap, is de-emphasized and it doesn't have a color applied. So that basically means there's not a material assigned to that body. Doesn't really stand out, especially if you're looking at a large assembly. You may not notice that, and you may not realize one of your bodies doesn't have a material applied. So what I do is I modify the out of the box report, and I'll make it to where, so I'll run this one I've created myself or modified. And we show a group that's where material is not found. And so this no material group is colored magenta, so we see it clearly in the graphics window, and then we can also check in this window here to see what components have bodies without applied materials. And so in this case, now that we know this doesn't have a material applied, we'll just make it the work part and then assign a material. And then I'll make the assembly the work part again. And then I'll just refresh that report and notice that body is now in the group with the other connecting rod body in the aluminum 7075 group. Once we're done looking at a report, we'll come over here and just select deactivate, and that'll bring all colors back to the original color.